We are here at Vadivel Nagar in Karur, where yesterday the place saw a huge crowd, overwhelming crowd during the TVK election rally on Saturday. As many as 95 people were injured during the stampede at the TVK election rally venue, which is right here. Now, as you can see, there are banners, slippers, which have been here post the stampede yesterday. And as many as 95 people were injured during the stampede at the TVK election rally, and currently 51 of them are in Karur Government Hospital, with one being critical. Other patients are admitted to private hospitals and remain stable. A total of 39 people are said to have died following the stampede at the campaign rally led by Tamizhaga Vetri Kazhagam Chief Vijay in Karur on Saturday evening. And this has exposed critical failures in crowd management. The eyewitnesses at the event say that the catastrophe occurred while the actor-politician's event on the Karur-Erode highway, but there was no medical aid or camps in sight. There was lack of drinking water facility for the public, and that has drawn sharp criticism for organizational lapses. Karur, a textile hub where Saturday marks payday for many workers, it saw an overwhelming turnout as crowds swelled in the evening. And that is a time known for people to return from work. Families of victims have noted that supporters, some waiting since 6 a.m. in the morning, had gone dehydrated by evening due to Vijay's 6-hour delay. The rally was permitted for 3 p.m. but was advertised for noon, and it had seen a huge number from 10,000 to about 27 overwhelming crowd. As Vijay arrived around 7:30 p.m. in the evening, the crowd's frenzy had turned deadly. And witnesses described that people were collapsing from exhaustion only to be trampled as others surged forward. Some climbed trees for a better view, falling into a chaos below. There were 2 ambulances that were deployed immediately, but the response was inadequate. Tamil Nadu CM M.K. Stalin had visited the victim's family at Karur Government Hospital on Sunday, on the early morning of Sunday, and he had said the situation is deeply distressing. He had said that prioritizing medical help is what is being done. We have also seen that Congress MP Jyothimani had slammed TVK for poor planning and said that TVK's initial choice of narrower venues like the Lighthouse or Ulavar Sunday, which were rejected, had were very mismanaged. The current site was also very poorly managed. And we know that earlier there were rallies by J. Jayalalitha, Senthil Balaji very recently, and EPS, which were held here but without any chaos. Political leaders have earlier, mentioned that dispersal of the crowd was the key. But here there was no local TVK leaders who were taking care of this. They seemed unaware of local dynamics, while actor Vijay's bus was stopped every few meters, causing chaos. Now, police, despite knowing, there were a huge number of security personnel, and they gave strict instructions, but they were overwhelmed. And let me recall in June 1997, where we saw a similar incident where during the consecration of the Brihadrishwara temple in Tanjavur, about 48 people were killed and over 200 people were injured in a stampede. The tragedy occurred when a firecracker reportedly fell on the Yagnashala, a temporary thatched structure, igniting a blaze that quickly spread. Again in 1992, during the Mahamagam festival in Kumbakonam, a religious stampede claimed over 50 lives when thousands of devotees had gathered to take a holy dip. The then Chief Minister Jayalalitha and her aide Sasikala were present at the temple for the ritual. The overwhelming pressure from the crowd near the tank had caused people to fall and get trampled, sending shock waves across the state. Now, as you can see, there are remains from yesterday. There are slippers, the party flags, mufflers, clothes of people. And these are the places where people had gathered yesterday. All we know now is that it was a complete chaos and lapses in organizing and managing the crowd. We at the Federal will keep you posted of further updates.